The question reads, hey, if he has 50 cups of yeast, how many loaves can he bake? That's really all we care about. How many loaves of bread can we make? We have to keep reading to understand what it is that we truly have to do. We have 50 cups of yeast. We see here that it says a baker uses an eighth of a cup of yeast for each loaf of bread he makes. So let's really break this one down. We use 1/8 of a cup for each, which is the same thing as saying per, loaf of bread. So here's how we can interpret this, everybody. Are we given the number of loaves, or are we looking for the number of loaves? Yeah, we're looking for the number of loaves. So instead of multiplying forward to get the grand total number of cups, what are we doing, everybody? We are working what? And what operation do we need? Yeah, we're working backwards, and we need to divide. Again, we would use multiplication if we were trying to get to the grand total. But we already have the grand total, 50 cups of yeast. So now we're working backwards to get the number of loaves of bread. And the way that we would represent that, everybody, is like this. It would be the 50 divided by the 1/8 of a cup of yeast. Now that we're here, everyone, what's the rule for dividing by fractions? Help me out there. Yeah, KCF. KCF. Keep, change, and flip. Trying 50 divided by 1/8. Let's go ahead and get it done. We know that 50 can be written as a fraction over 1. So 50, again, is the same thing as saying 50 over 1. Now that we're here, we are going to keep, change, flip. So I will keep the first fraction the same, 50 over 1. I will change from division to multiplication, and I will flip the 1/8 to 8 over 1. Everybody, 50 over 1 is the same thing as 50. 8 over 1 is the same thing as 8. This is just going to be 50 times 8. Everybody, 50 times 8 is what? Correct. 400. And there we go. We can make 400 loaves of bread. And there we are. There's our correct answer. 400 loaves of bread is what our chef, our baker here, can make. And we are good.